Hello, Mr. McCain. What's up with you? You told my nurse on the phone that you were very ill and needed urgent help.
Hello, doctor. Yes, I said so. The thing is, I'm really bad. I'm dying.
Why do you think so? Let me examine you, and you will tell me what your problem is.
All right. The fact is that I have a high fever. I've read in the internet that this could be a symptom of a very serious disease.
So what else?
I also have a rash. I found some information, and they say that it can be very dangerous.
What other symptoms do you observe?
I have a heavy headache, especially from behind. And I've read,
Yes, I understand. You have read that this is a very terrible symptom.
right. Is it really so? Am I dying?
If you die, then only from an overflow of information. You need to read less.
What's wrong with me?
I observe all the symptoms of chickenpox. As far as I know, you did not have it in childhood, did you?
Yes, indeed.
Well, now you have it.
Is it dangerous?
No. If you follow the doctor's recommendations, bed rest, these medicines 3 times a day, and no internet. Only rest, and I will come to see you in a day.
Thank you, doctor. I'm so glad that this is not a fatal disease. I will do whatever you say. See you.
See you. Get well soon.